Hi guys, and welcome to another video from us. Thanks for tuning in again. This week we're gonna go into the attic and take out the old wooden kind of room, and I can tell you now there's gonna be a big surprise waiting for us. Something we didn't really expect when we seen the house in the first place, but yeah, that's how it goes. So enjoy the video. So here we see the disaster. The beams are actually totally eaten away by a kind of beetle who eats through the wood but leaves the surface untouched basically, so you can't really see it. There's woodworm. You can see when it's in there because you've got all the little sawdust holes, but with this type of beetle you can't see it, and that's why we didn't realize that most of the beams were actually eaten away because the surface looks good. But if you take away the first layer of wood, then there's only sawdust under it. So we had to rethink our whole renovation plan. We spoke to our architect and figured something out to save the roof, fortunately. We didn't really expect that at the beginning, but yeah, that's the thing. If you get old houses, there's always going to be surprises you never counted in. So this is the rest of the roof. All the roof tiles in a big skip, a massive amount of old wood, and lots of, just rubbish which has to be dumped. Yeah, and this is the ceiling. Clay ceiling, which wasn't stable anymore, and someone stepped on it, my dad, and then it came down. Fortunately, nothing really bad happened. He was able to get a grip, but well, the wood and the clay fell down, so we've got a bigger hole than we wanted to the upstairs, but In the end, we would have taken that out anyway, just not right now. But, well, now it's gone. So after all this mess, we had no other choice than getting a roofer in, which we actually planned already because the roof tiles weren't the best anymore, and it was clear that we had to replace some beams at least. We didn't expect it to be so many, but anyway, you can't change it. So yeah, here's some pictures how the roof developed. So the roof is done. It's nearly new. So we don't need the chainsaw anymore. Well, we do, because we've got loads of old beams which need to be cut into pieces so we can burn them in the fire. What a shocker. That was really something we didn't expect, even though we took an architect through the house before we bought it. But this was really something you couldn't see in the first place. It was clear that some beams had to be replaced, but after taking out this wooden room, it showed much more damage than we expected. But either way, it's done now. It's got a nice new roof. It really feels cozy already, believe me or not. It's completely different than before because now it's kind of sealed off. It's not so much wind coming through anymore, so it kind of feels like a proper room now. So now we can start really building it up again. If you want to join us on our renovation story, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, then we're always happy to have a nice wee comment or a thumbs up. That's always good. Help us a bit to get the YouTube algorithm going. We really appreciate that. And for now, that's it. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye!